everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a very simple chicken noodles. So I'm going to use from scratch. Our ingredients are chicken. So as you can see, this is cooked chicken. So I made a roasted chicken last night, and this is our leftover, so I don't want to waste it. I don't want to throw it, so now I am going to use this as a broth. And then next, ginger, noodles, romaine lettuce, spring onion, broccoli, coriander, and some of my spices or my herbs. So I will use thyme. I'll use my pepper, red pepper, my ground pepper, and also my parsley. So I'm going to use my herbs that I have here right now to add more taste to my soup noodles. So now I put my chicken inside my pot. So I need to make it sure that it's really boiling because I need the taste that comes from the chicken bones and the meat. Okay, so I'm going to boil it for 20 minutes. So now it's boiling and it's been 30 minutes boiling of this, and as you can see, the color of my soup, it changed into yellow, and that's the broth. Okay, so the water turns into yellow, and that's because of the ingredients that has inside. Okay, so now I am ready to add more seasoning. So I'm going to add pepper. So this one, it's just an optional. If you like spicy one, then do it. But if you don't like spicy noodles, then don't do this. Sorry, I'm holding my camera. Okay, so that's a lot of tuck. And now I'm going to add thyme. My herbs that I harvested last spring. Okay, so this is my thyme. I mean, what is that? Basil. Oh no, this is not basil. This is mint. Sorry. Okay, so this is mint. Yeah, that's my pepper. And what's this? Oh, okay. This is my basil, and what's the last one? Okay, I got thyme. Okay, so I'm going to get this. Okay, so I got thyme. I'm going to use that all. Then I'm going to use basil. So I'm going to brush it. And then I like mint, so I'm going to add mint too. You can taste if you need to add water, I mean salt. So I'm going to add salt, and then ground pepper. Okay, and now I'm going to stir it or mix it all together. Look at that. And remember, this is homemade soup. So it's really more delicious flavored soup. If you are going to make home noodles, you better do this. And then throw your chicken bones, because you can make that as your chicken noodles. Okay, so now I am ready to put my noodles, and as I said before, I'm going to use buckwheat noodles. So that's Korean noodles, and this is gonna be like quick boiling. So I'm gonna go and get it and put it inside this pot. Okay, so this is my buckwheat. So now I'm gonna put inside and make it sure that it's not gonna be overcooked. So you're gonna just wait for like 1 minute or 2 minutes. It depends. You need to check it. Because as of now, my fire is high. So it may take a bit less time. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's half cooked now. So I'm going to take it and then transfer it to my soup bowl. So now I'm going to put my vegetables. So I don't like my vegetables to be overcooked, so I'm going to just put it like quick. And then I'm going to add my spring onion inside of my cup of my soup bowl. Okay, so I added all my spring onion inside. And then now I'm boiling my broccoli, so I need to dip that. Okay, so that's my celery. I like celery, so I'm going to get one. Then put it inside my bowl. And then remember, this is a chicken noodles, so you need to get some noodles. So you can just use your food tong. It's very soft. So it's very easy to tear the meat. Okay, there's a lot of meat. Okay, so you must be very careful when you are doing this because it's really hot. So that's my chicken. So if you want, you can also grab like a big piece of it, then just put it inside. Oh, there you go. It's kind of hard if there's bone. Okay, as you can see, it's just separate automatically. It separated the bones from the meat. Okay, so I think that's enough chicken for me. And then my broccoli, so I don't want to overcook my broccoli, so I'm going to just take that. And I'm going to turn off my stove. Next is my lettuce. I just like dip it, like wash it. Okay, and then put it on top of my noodles. Okay, there you go. I'm going to chop my coriander because that's gonna be my garnish. This is my coriander, so I'm going to add it on top of my noodles. Okay, there you go. And my last step is to put or to add soup inside my soup bowl. careful. Okay, sorry about that. This one I need to a little bit fold it because it's long. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to add more noodles and then put it there. I don't like chicken skin, so I'll not have that. Okay guys, there you go. This is my chicken noodles with lettuce, broccoli, and chicken noodles. Okay guys, so this is now the outcome of my simple and easy chicken noodles recipe. Okay, so I'm going to just quick review it. What are the ingredients needed? So chicken, lettuce, broccoli, spring onion, coriander, chili pepper, red pepper. So if you want to add salt, you can just add salt. And then that's my soup. So I made my own broth from my leftover roasted chicken, and it really tastes good. I tasted before, and the color, it's really good. So I need to get that lettuce here. I really like vegetable. Okay, so I need to get that. Okay, so I need to get my chopstick.